5 events, the truth emerges for Natera Incorporated. Stock price fell 63% per share. New York Times report. Campaign for Accountability Watchdog. Hindenburg Research report. Federal jury in CareDx Incorporated v. Natera Incorporated. FDA issued a safety communication. Investors of Natera Incorporated NTRA, did you purchase or otherwise acquire publicly traded Natera common stock between February 26, 2020, and April 19, 2022? What are the 5 key events that happened? 1. Investors began to learn the truth on January 1, 2022, when the New York Times published a detailed report calling into question the accuracy of certain prenatal tests manufactured by Natera and other diagnostic testing companies. 2. January 14, 2022, the Campaign for Accountability, a nonprofit watchdog group, filed a complaint requesting that the SEC investigate whether Natera repeatedly claimed in marketing materials and earnings calls that its tests are much more reliable than it appears they really are. 3. March 9, 2022, Hindenburg Research issued an investigative report alleging, among other things, that Natera's revenue growth has been fueled by deceptive sales and billing practices aimed at doctors, insurance companies and expectant mothers. 4. March 14, 2022, a federal jury in CareDx Incorporated v. Natera Incorporated found that Natera had intentionally and willfully misled the public by utilizing false advertisements to market Prospera in violation of the Federal Lanham Act, the Delaware Deceptive Trade Practices Act, and Delaware Common Law. 5. April 19, 2022, the FDA issued a safety communication to educate patients and healthcare providers and to help reduce the inappropriate use of NIPT. The Klein Law Firm security announcement. Then you should be aware that a class action lawsuit was filed on your behalf claiming securities fraud. If you lost money trading NTRA, you may be eligible to recover your losses. The class action alleges that the company's non-invasive prenatal test, Panorama, was not reliable and resulted in high rates of false positives. The company's screening test for kidney transplant failure, Prospera, did not have superior precision compared to competing tests. As a result of defendants' false and misleading claims about Natera's technology, the company was exposed to substantial legal and regulatory risks. Natera relied upon deceptive sales and billing practices to drive its revenue growth. As a result of the foregoing, defendants' statements about the company's business, operations, and prospects lacked a reasonable basis. So, Natera's statements to shareholders such as yourself were materially false and misleading. The deadline to participate as a lead plaintiff is strict. It is June 27. You therefore have only until June 27 to petition the court for lead plaintiff status, and at no cost to you. To register, please click the link below before the June 27 deadline. The Klein Law Firm is waiting to receive your information and provide you with further details on this case so we can assist you to fight for your rights. There are no out-of-pocket costs to you. Your ability to share in any recovery does not require that you serve as lead plaintiff. You may choose to be an absent class member. The Klein Law Firm prides itself as an advocate for shareholders' rights and looks forward to assisting you. Any prior results do not guarantee similar outcomes, and this video may be considered attorney advertising under the laws of your state. The Klein Law Firm is standing by to fight for your rights. We want to help you recover your losses. To receive more informative video notifications, please hit the subscribe button, and never miss an important shareholder class action notification again.